that's how they've had it the whole time.
Yeah, she's open.
Yeah! No! That's 44 too. And here comes the run.
And here comes
Get in there. Everybody in. What the hell is that? Let it go! Let it go! Let it go!
Can we do that?
Timeout, Tigers.
Come on, boys.
Come on.
Shake it. Going on. What's going on? Come on, let's get it going.
There's 3 minutes on the clock. It's like the fourth quarter of the Colts game. Go, Jake! All right. Get up.
Tackled by number 10, Alex Boots. Second down.
Mommy, did you drink all my drink?
What?
What's that? All right, all right.
Let's get a little bit rowdy on the W. Let's get a little bit rowdy.
All right, go, go! Woo! Yeah! All right! Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out! Yeah! All right! They weren't going down there, too. All right! Get up to the ball, get on the ball, get on the ball! This looks fake side. Yeah, he's got it. Oh, mismatch.
And I said,
What is this?
drink because I've
We need all spectators to please stay off the sideline. get back up in the stands, please. All spectators, back up in the stands.
Nobody's moving.
Then you do a little slip. Slope there. If I can get a couple of to that. Don't keep up with Yes, he's in.
Let's go, Crusaders! Let's go! Let's go, Crusaders! Let's go! Let's go!
Come on, Crusaders!
Until someone touches it.
Minute 38 on the
So I would squid it so I have to fall down on it, and once they touch it,
march down the
all
field
done.
from the 5.
We won. We won. Crusaders.
Let's get ready.
Congratulations to both teams on a very well-played game. Good luck to St. Michael's in the finals.
Hey, Shay, Joe's going on the wrong side again. We lost to them.
Tell Jacob that was awesome.
Yeah.
Tell Jacob that. We're missing that one. That was exciting. That's 2 days, man. Last 3 days.
Oh my God. We have a Oh my Lord.
That caught it? No, it was Harvey.
Get that whole thing, that last drive.
I think so.